guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove background from a video and add another one in. So I'm just going to select the cutout button and select auto cutout if it's not a green screen. But if it's a green screen video, you are just going to simply, do I have one? Okay. You're just going to simply select the chroma key and you're going to select the color picker and you're going to adjust the strength. That's for another video though. So I'm just going to put that up here, and I want to add in a video, or a picture, so I'm just going to add this one behind that. Or if you want pictures like backgrounds from CapCut, just put it to the main track, go to basic, scroll down until you find canvas, and you can choose either color or style, but that is totally up to you which one you want to choose. That's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!